Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm thrilled to present you with an in-depth review of this MeditaCup 1200ml glass teapot. The glass teapot comes with a stainless steel removable infuser, making it easier to clean and to use. The teapot is made of high borosilicate glass material, which is perfect for cold and high temperature. It also comes with a tea recipes guide, which contain instructions, tips, and recipes. You also got a sponge brush for cleaning. The teapot is microwave and dishwasher safe and can withstand high and low temperatures of -20 degrees to 150 degrees. So this is how you assemble the glass teapot. Here is a quick demo on how you can use this glass teapot to make hibiscus tea. Make sure you wash the teapot with every component before use. Then place the stainless steel infuser inside the teapot and add the hibiscus and water. Then place the teapot lid and turn the gas cooker on and let it boil. The transparent glass allows you to enjoy the visual experience of watching your blooming or loose leaf teas steeping. I just love everything about this teapot as it combines style and functionality to enhance your tea brewing experience. It's also perfect for all tea varieties. And whether you prefer a hot cup of tea or an iced brew, this glass teapot is versatile enough to accommodate both. Another thing that I love about this teapot is the capacity. It has 1200 ml, which is 4 cups of tea or brew, which is perfect to share with your friends or family. Once your tea or brew is ready, go ahead and turn off the cooker. Another thing that I loved about this teapot was the teapot handle was designed not to be too hot to handle when you touch, which is just perfect and safe. With its user-friendly design, pouring and steeping your favorite tea is a breeze with this teapot. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This glass teapot is a perfect choice for any tea lover in your life. Don't forget to check out MeditaCup. I will link their website and their social media in the description box below. I will also leave a link for this teapot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.